feel too comfortable. Tonight's the night I'm wanting you. Tonight's the night, then down the lights, I'm holding you tight. We feel too comfortable. Tonight's the night I'm wanting you. Baby, shine like VVS. This is the high life, be prepared. Nobody gonna tell us more. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
What going, guys? We saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. As you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. As you guys know, I keep it real when the hair reviews and whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. I plug you guys. So today, obviously, I'm doing a hair review for you guys with the company Tinashe. Remember, I'm so shit at pronouncing this company, but you know, Tinashe. I think it's Tinashe. Like, guys, why would someone call it Anyway, Tinashe. So guys, let me quickly tell the information. I don't want this video to be long like the other ones I've been doing. I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys the basics about this hair. So obviously, when you open a box, you get some beautiful, colorful packaging. So you open it. Inside of the bag, you get. Why am I struggling to open the bag, please? Inside of it, you get 2 wig caps. As I usually say, most hair companies would give you a wig cap, but not 1 wig cap. They give you 2 wig caps, so that's what I love. You get 2 wig caps. You get the information, refund, return policy leaflet. So obviously inside, you know, at the back they have the socials. Inside it has the information about looking after the hair care instructions, custom service. So as I said, the leaflet's got pretty much all the information about the hair and about the company, so you know, if you want to know more, then go for and check it out. They also give you a bunny. Can you keep up, baby boy, when you miss my... Hey, can you keep up, guys? Can you actually keep up my... because I've got a collection of colors right now. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Well, obviously you get a bonnet. Not all companies will give you a hair bonnet, but your girlfriend got a bonnet and it's gold. I mean, I'm trying to say. But I've got a hair bonnet, and you also get a beautiful pair of eyelashes. So you guys can see, you get eyelashes. So that's what's inside here. I'm gonna quickly tell you the information about the hair, show you the hair, and then I'm gonna install it because I don't want this video to be so long. So the hair is 20 inches, and this is a 13x4 closure lace front wig, guys. The style was water wave, inches, 20 inches, and it's a 13x4 closure, but it's a lace frontal. Yeah, that bit's a bit confusing, but it's a frontal, guys. So let me show you guys the hair. You guys, you know I'm gonna say this wig. Just had to say that. But yeah, this is the wig, 20 inches. Yes, girlfriend, we only do inches around here. I'm joking, but yeah, guys, water wave, 20 inches, frontal. I already pre-plucked. It already comes pre-plucked, but I plucked it a bit more. So yeah, guys, that's told you the information. I'm gonna get straight into the video, so carry on watching. Before you continue with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, sis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and recommend this video to anybody you think would want to get this hair or want to watch my video, or if I'm live, send them my way. I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna get straight into this video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me, and let's just get straight into this. Guys, this is the finished look, y'all. Your girlfriend got a new wig and whatever. Like, guys, try to say I did not slay this. I'm feeling it, boo. I'm feeling it, guys. I actually managed to slay it, guys. I didn't think I was actually gonna be able to slay it like this. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. You know how the thing said, whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try to make it quick as possible. I don't want it to be boring, but make sure you guys leave any other videos you want to see down below in the comments. As you guys can see, I'm loving this hair. 20 inches, y'all. Water wave. Get to know, baby. Period. So guys, yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and whatever. You know how the thing said, whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.